Question number 1. The Battle of Plassey was fought in option A 1757, option B 1782, option C 1748, option D 1764. Option A 1757 is the answer. Question number 2. The territory of Porus, who offered strong resistance to Alexander, was situated between the rivers of option A Sutlej and Beas, option B Jhelum and Chenab, option C Ravi and Chenab, option D Ganga and Yamuna. Option B Jhelum and Chenab is the answer. Question number 3. Under Akbar, the Mir Bakshi was required to look after option A military affairs, option B the state treasury, option C the royal household, option D the land revenue system. Option A military affairs is the answer. Question number 4. Tripitakas are sacred books of option A Buddhists, option B Hindus, option C Jains, option D none of the above. Option A Buddhist is the answer. Question number 5. The theory of economic drain of India during British imperialism was propounded by option A Jawaharlal Nehru, option B Dadabhai Naoroji, option C R.C. Dutt, option D M.K. Gandhi. Option B Dadabhai Naoroji is the answer. Question number 6. The Vijayanagara ruler Krishnadevaraya's work Amukta Malyada was in option A Telugu, option B Sanskrit, option C Tamil, option D Kannada. Option A Telugu is the answer. Question number 7. To conquer and annex Peshawar and Punjab, Muhammad of Ghazni defeated option A Ghurids, option B Arabs, option C Karkotakas, option D Hindu Shahis. Option D Hindu Shahis is the answer. Question number 8. To which professions earlier leaders who struggled for freedom of India mainly belonged? Option A lawyers, option B teachers, option C generalist, option D all of the above. Option D all of the above is the answer. Question number 9. The victories of Karikala are well portrayed in option A Palamoli, option B Aruvanath, option C Pattinappalai, option D Padirupattu. Option C Pattinappalai is the answer. Question number 10. Todar Mal was associated with option A music, option B literature, option C finance, option D law. Option C finance is the answer. Question number 11. The title of Viceroy was added to the office of the Governor General of India for the first time in option A 1848 AD, option B 1856 AD, option C 1858 AD, option D 1862 AD. Option C 1858 AD is the answer. Question number 12. To which of the following dynasties did King Bhoja, a great patron of literature and art, belong? Option A Karkota, option B Utpala, ఆప్షన్ సి పరమార, ఆప్షన్ డి గుర్జార ప్రతిహార. ఆప్షన్ సి పరమార is the answer. Question number 13. Two of the great Mughals wrote their own memories. There were option A Babur and Humayun, option B Humayun and Jahangir, option C Babur and Jahangir, option D Jahangir and Shah Jahan. Option C Babur and Jahangir is the answer. Question number 14. To which king belongs the lion capital at Sarnath? Option A Chandragupta, option B Ashoka, option C Kanishka, option D Harsha. Option B Ashoka is the answer. Question number 15. The use of spinning wheel charka became common during the option A 9th century AD, option B 10th century AD, option C 12th century AD, option D 14th century AD. Option D 14th century AD is the answer. Question number 16. The language of discourses of Gautam Buddha was option A Bhojpuri, option B Magadhi, option C Pali, option D Sanskrit. Option C Pali is the answer. Question number 17. There were widespread risings against the British in the 1820s. Which one of the following did not revolt in the 1820s? Option A Santals, option B Ahoms, option C Pagalpanthis, option D Ramosi. Option A Santals is the answer. Question number 18. Velu Thampi led a revolt against the British in state of option A Travancore, option B Baroda, option C Hyderabad, option D Mysore. Option A Travancore is the answer. Question number 19. The ultimate ownership of land during the post-Gupta period lay with option A the cultivator, option B the village community, option C the king, option D the joint family. Option C the king is the answer. Question number 20. To which of the Republic of Buddha belong? Option A Lichavis, option B Sakyas, option C Malas, option D none of the above. Option B Sakyas is the answer. Question number 21. Tippu Sultan was the ruler of option A Hyderabad, option B Madurai, option C Mysore, option D Vijayanagar. Option C Mysore is the answer. Question number 22. The term Avanika meant option A foreign goods, option B dancer, option C curtain, option D theatre. Option C curtain is the answer. Question number 23. The Vedas contain all the truth was interrupted by option A Swami Vivekananda, option B Swami Dayananda, option C Raja Ramohan Rai, option D none of the above. Option B Swami Dayananda is the answer. Question number 24. The Weekly Commonwealth was founded by option A. Annie Besant, option B. Bipan Chandrapal, option C. Balagangadhar Tilak, option D. Sarojini Naidu. Option A. Annie Besant is the answer. Question number 25. Ustad Mansur was a famous painter in the reign of option A. Shah Jahan, option B. Akbar, option C. Humayun, option D. Jahangir. Option D. Jahangir is the answer.